Hello everyone, we are Team Stack Underflow from Open Innovation, and our problem statement is as follows. Filing income tax returns in India is often a complex, tedious, and time consuming process for individuals, especially those unfamiliar with tax laws and regulations. Many taxpayers struggle with complex tax calculation, inefficient tax optimization, filing difficulties, and many such problems. So, here is our solution problem, which is ITR. What we do is we first take input from the user, which is form 16. It is basically a form which is provided by the employers to their employees, and it contains various income related information such as gross income, total income received, etc. And we feed this information to our OCR processor. It extracts all the information from the form and converts it into a JSON format. Now, this JSON formatted data is fed to our agentic AI. Our agentic AI first web scrapes and gets all the tax regimes which is beneficial for our user, combines it with the OCR data, and then calculates the tax as well as any tax optimization if needed. Now, this data from our agentic AI is to be filled on the ITR form provided by the government website. So, in order to make it easier for the user to fill the government provided ITR form, we have converted our agentic AI into a Google Chrome extension. So, when a user visits the government website and tries to fill the ITR form, just by enabling our extension, they will be able to autofill the ITR form. Now, most users are comfortable with providing this Form 16, but for few of them who are not comfortable to provide this input, we have another option for them for filing this complex ITR form. They can basically speak out all the information, and this can be automatically filled into the form. So basically, we have implemented a voice enabled UI. For example, I will just click on this button and then give all my information. My name is Sushmita Santi with the income of 5 lakhs and deduction of 10,000 rupees for the tax year 2025. It will process it and then autofill the information by catching the keywords. Now, our target audience is 18 plus tax paying employees, correct? And they are not ready to read long theories on income tax or to watch long YouTube videos. So, with the help of internet, we got to know top 10 apps that are being used by this age group. Those are Instagram, Tinder, and WhatsApp. So what we did is we with the help of AI generated short reels which are multi vernacular, that is in multiple languages, and they provide tax related information in the form of reels so that they can watch these reels and get the information.
क्या आप कानूनी रूप से अपना कर भार कम करना चाहते हैं? यहाँ जानिए कैसे. धारा
कर वेळेवर भरला नाही तर काय होईल? जाणून घ्या.
Next is Tinder. We know the drill for Tinder. Left swipe for wrong, right swipe for correct. So these are the AI generated questions for our users, and they can swipe right or left depending on what they feel is the correct answer, and the score will change accordingly. Next is WhatsApp. Our WhatsApp bot is implemented with the help of Twilio. Basically, the bot will give us questions along with options, and the user will have to enter the correct answer. And the bot will tell whether it is correct or not and move on with the next question. Our next feature is investment recommendation. The user will provide us with period of investment, capital, goal amount, and risk tolerance. Now, combining this user input with the web scraped data, what our application will do is find the best investment option for the users so that they can invest in that and pay the least possible tax to the user. So we are basically replacing CA and helping our users file the ITR as well as optimize their investment recommendations. So this was our solution. Thank you so much.